channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creation, and today I'm starting it again, guys. I've had these over there. If y'all have watched me do my reveals for my Diamond Art Club diamond paintings, if y'all have been watching me from the beginning, y'all know how many I have. I have had these that I'm about to show, or this one I'm about to show, for months and months and months. I might have said it in one of my last unboxing of Diamond Art Club, and I never got around back to doing it. So I'm going to show y'all what I've been hoarding over there in the corner. And this one is, I might not be able to go all the way back this time. I got so much stuff under there. So this one is called One Another by Mandy Manzano. This reminds me so much of me and my husband. That is the reason I got this one. So look how long the box is. Let me move my beautiful cup out of the way so I can do this. And these over here. I should have did that before, but I know I won't be able to roll it back that way, guys. So I'm at the roll under. Alright, so let me open it up and see. I ain't did this in so long. I know y'all like to see the drills, you like to see the canvas. Okay, here they are. Hey, where are my scissors? There they are. And I've already taken these out of the box because I was going to do the reveals back those long months ago. And I think that's before. Was it before COVID, guys? I think it was. So that's been over a year. So yeah, they've been sitting over there a while. And I wanted to get them out and hang them up with the rest of them. But I'm thinking about changing the way I got them over there too. I don't know. Alright, so let's see. As y'all know, Diamond Art Club is amazing. Look at this. Absolutely love it. Okay, I think that's the end of that one. I might have to keep them in the box till I'm done. Alright, so if you've never had Diamond Art Club paintings before, you always get a kit. And inside the kit, since I haven't done it in a while, I will go ahead and open it up this one time. Because I got so many on, I'm not going to do it every time. You have a 4-placer. I love 4-placers. You got a squishy that goes on your drill pen. I ain't going to put it on now, but there we go. You get 2 wax hearts. I got so many of these, I'm just, oh, too many. Lots of baggies, a funnel, and very sharp tweezers. Look at that. Deadly weapons. I love them though. Alright, so I'm gonna have to give them away or throw them away. I have my own stash. Y'all have seen those videos as well. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this one. Like I said, whoa, there are 2 bags. Okay. Alright, so with every Diamond Art Club painting, you get a step-by-step instructions, and it also has a coupon code on the inside when you get it. I don't need that. You also get a very small picture. I use that and I put it in my book. I'm going to put them up there. And then you get the one that has the labels on it, which I label my things. I need to do another. I might do that tonight. Anyway, One Another by Mandy Manzano, who is one of my faves. This is a square. It is 70 centimeters by 101 centimeters, which is 27.6 inches by 39.8 inches. A very huge canvas. There are 62 colors. Holy macaroni. I think this might be the largest count I've had to date. I think. I cannot remember. I've got so many. But let's see how many ABs we got. ABs go up to 100. Is it 149 or 150? I can't remember. So it's got 129, 141, and I don't think 150 is one. So I think it's 2 ABs. Look at all these beautiful colors. Look at that picture. That reminds me of me and my hubby. That's me. That's my hubby. In the Lord's hands. Amen. Yes. All right. So let's look at this canvas. OMG, guys. OMG. Alright, so I'm going to put a bit in at a time. And move these out the way before they fall everywhere. My beads I've been working with. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Let it drop down. Get my chair out the way. See, I usually scoot it behind me, but I'm not going to do that. We're going to roll it this way. It does not hurt. It does not hurt the canvas. This is a very high quality canvas. Look at this. Babe, is that the rooster? I'm sorry, guys. I'm like, what is that noise? The rooster's cock-a-doodle doing. I thought they only did it in the morning. But look how pretty this is, guys. I know y'all probably are getting a glare. Let me see if I can adjust that a little bit. Probably not. But look how cute this is. Love it. Got some roses, a dove. He's holding a turtle. That's me and my hubby. I love it, love it, love it. And keep going down. I love the details of the hands that Mandy did. This is so uncomfortable, guys. I got so much. I'm trying to get so much done. Let me move some stuff out of the way. I thought I'd be able to just, you know how we do. Get stuff done without having to move stuff, but that's okay. Look how pretty. I love how she does this little black detail in all her work. This is so nice, guys. Absolutely love it. So let's move it out of the way. Let's look at these drills and see where the ABs go. There are 2 big old drills. All right. So let's pull out and see how many trains we have. This says, and I love how they have it numbered. So this one says one another. The word should be the other way around, 1 of 2, but it's got 2-1. And then this one says 2 of 2. So let's go through the first one. And I'm going to put this right here so we can look at this. Because that darn canvas is too huge and I got too much stuff on this desk right now. So we got 1, 2, 3 trains here. So let's look at these colors. We always want to have 310 in Mandy Manzano's paintings. Alright, so this one. Oh, and it's a square. Did I say that? I did. It's $8.98, that beautiful brown. $4.35. $7.58. 2 of these $9.87. 1 $37.77, that beautiful red. 165, look like scrambled eggs. 2 of this dark green, 986. 1 939. Ooh, that must be the skin tone. 3 of the 938, that beautiful brown, so pretty. 2 3371s, dark brown. And then you have 1 2 3 4 5 on this strand, because I see more over here. That's 5 310s, which are black. 6 7 8 9. There are 9 310s, guys, which is this beautiful black. Mandy Manzano style. You're always going to have a lot of black because she does that. Then here's an AB. You can tell the difference. Look at that beautiful color, that coating on there. AB is Aurora Borealis. It has that extra shine on there on top of the drill to give it that extra sparkle. I'm moving it around, see if y'all can see that sparkle. And this one is 141, the white. We have a ton of that. And then 823 is a dark blue. Then the smaller one, and remember this is just the first little pack. These are the smaller ones, 550, that's one of my favorite purples. 3811, 3837, 3755, 334, 738, 3814, 762. That looks like a white, but I think it's a pale gray maybe. 322, 3854, 3340. Ooh, that's pretty. It's very pretty. 754, 961, 150. Yeah, 150 is not an AB. You don't see that extra sparkle shine. They are sparkling, but they don't have an AB finish on it. 414, 301, 415 again. Oh, 415, 414. 3350, 413. So we got the 3 shades there. And then 318. That all in that first bag, guys. Hopefully we don't have any repeat over here in this one. This is the second bag. Alright, let's see what we got here. I gotta put them back in the right bag. So we got 2 trains on this one. So let's look. And these are a lot more like the medium. Or these are big ones. Let me see. No, they the big ones too. You got big bags. Alright, so we got 2 of the 355. 2 433s. 2 434. Love these shades of brown. Beautiful. 2 356s. That is so pretty. 2 3818. So these must be the doubles. 2 of the 3778. 1 336. Double 3348. A double of 3347. That's a big jump. These numbers, 3348 and 3347, seem like they would be just a shade different, but that's a big difference. And then 3830. 898. I haven't seen the second AB yet. Must be in this one. Yeah, I see it right there. Alright, so then the smaller bags, 317, 947, 841. There we are. AB right there. Look like some scrambled eggs as well. 129 AB. Can y'all see that sparkle? Look at the difference. Let's look at that blue. Now, so you see that blue 312 here shining, but I know y'all see that extra coating on there for that 129. That's that Aurora Borealis. 977, 3828, 3776, 640, 782, 783. Look how that is just a shade different. That's what I was saying about that green. And then 743. 814, 890, 728, 3787, 3021, 3799, and these beautiful greens here, 989. These are so pretty. I love that green. Very beautiful. All right, so we saw the 2 ABs. So it is the yellow and the white. So I'm pretty sure it will go on the doves, the swan, here as the shine. God's light shining here. That's probably where it goes. I can't go through the thing because it's too big right now. I got too much stuff on my desk. But isn't this gorgeous, guys? I can't wait to play with this one as well. I need to pull them back out and finish the 2 I was working on. It's been almost 2 years. No, I ain't been 2. A year. I know it's been a year since I touched it. But anyway, I'm feeling like I want to get back in that. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? One Another by Mandy Manzano and Diamond Art Club. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.